Once upon a time, on the sun-kissed shores of a small coastal village, there lived a curious young girl named Lila. With sandy toes and a wild, untamed mane of hair, Lila spent her days collecting shells and listening to the hum of the ocean waves. One balmy evening, as the sun dipped low, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink, Lila spotted something gleaming near the rocky cove. Closer inspection revealed a delicate, shimmering scale. The scale wasn't ordinary. It shimmered with all the colors of the ocean, changing hues with the fading light. Remembering village tales of a gentle mermaid who lived beneath the waves, Lila clutched the scale tightly in her hand and whispered into the wind, "If the stories are true, and you are kind, dear mermaid, I wish to see you." The waves seemed to listen, and with a gentle swell, a figure appeared in the water. Her hair flowed like seaweed, and her tail sparkled under the remaining sunlight. She was the mermaid of the legends. "Why have you called me, little one?" the mermaid asked in a voice as soft as the sea foam. "I've found your scale. Is this your magic?" Lila replied, her eyes wide with wonder. "Yes, it holds the power to heal one heart from sorrow," the mermaid shared, her eyes twinkling with the reflection of the first evening stars. "But once given, it's no return to the sea." Lila thought of her grandmother, who had been sad since Grandpa passed away. Would you help her?" With a compassionate nod, the mermaid agreed. She touched the scale to Lila's heart first, infusing it with warmth and the laughed of the sea, then whispered, "Now, go. Share this joy with her." Lila ran back to her grandmother's house, her heart overflowing. That night, smiles lit up their home, brighter than the stars, as the magic of the mermaid's scale mended old wounds with new love.